Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. This works both for Android and iOS, so let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do is go into our YouTube app, right here. And once you are here in your YouTube, you want to click here at the bottom right. It says library, and from here you want to go into your playlist and you want to tap here on view all. And from here, you want to go and tap on the playlist that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this e-commerce playlist right here. So I can just simply hold it right here. So hold, and you have the delete option right here. You can also do this, or you can tap here on the three dots at the left side, and it's basically the same. You can delete it right here, or you can just tap on it. And from here, you also have the three dots of that at the top right of your screen. So you tap on that and you have the delete playlist right here. So either of those steps will work. So if you want to delete this, you want to tap on delete playlist. And from here, tap on delete and the playlist would be automatically deleted after that. But in my case, I don't want to delete this. So I'm just gonna go back, and that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.